Do you have an odd wall in your home you don't know what to do with? I've got this dividing wall here, and it divides the living room from the foyer, and I thought, what am I going to do? Well, I thought, let's put a mural on it. And you know what I love about this Savannah Tree Mural? It's got some depth, foreground, background with a little tree, so it adds interest, yet at the same time, it's sort of very subtle, neutral colors. I just love the whole backdrop, tells a story, subtle, and it's elegant. I'm Jaima Brown, designer for Bennett Designs, and I've been designing wallpapers and murals for over 22 years, and they're sold worldwide. So I do have an idea and a vision to help you create a more interesting space, and that's why I'm so passionate about murals. Now, we don't just have this mural. This is the Savannah mural. We have other murals like the Aspen mural, and we've actually printed it on cork. And the beauty of the cork is it has a little bit of shine behind it, and it has this textural effect, so it's very high-end luxury, and it's tall. So if you have tall ceilings, it'll work perfectly for like 9 to 10 feet ceilings. I have a new mural coming out in the chinoiserie collection this year. It's more traditional, which is sort of influenced from sort of the France, sort of the Zuber style from the 1800s. Traditional, beautiful green trees with depth of field, sort of more of an English countryside. And so if you want a more traditional feel, you're going to go with something like that. I offer design consultations. So if you don't know what to put where, I'm your gal. So reach out to me at hello@daisybennettdesigns.com so we can schedule an appointment and help you fulfill your wallpaper dreams. So don't forget, please comment below if you try a mural in your home with trees. And don't forget to subscribe and share. We love to inspire other people with our design ideas.